Hi kids, today we'll be starting our first lesson of basic landscape. We are starting with the house. We are going to make a triangle in curvy shape, followed by two diagonal lines with the help of scale and a base of a house. Simple house is ready. Now we are going to add some landscape around the house. Adding basic bushes around the house. Just randomly draw some cloud shapes for the bushes and some conical grass shape. Adding some flower. Added cloud. I want this line for the cloud to be slightly thicker, so I'm using marker over here. Using light blue for the sky. It's a sleeping line stroke, what we have practiced before. Keeping my pressure really light. Now the same light blue, but here I am using more pressure to give more vibrant color around the clouds. Keep following sleeping stroke. Using vibrant blue. This particular shade is called as brilliant blue in your palette. Now blend rest of the light blue with white crayon. Blend it well in sleeping stroke. Lemon yellow. Just the inner rim of the clouds. Blending it with fingers gives you a smooth finish. Now same lemon yellow, adding on top of the bushes. Same brilliant blue, followed by deep green, followed by leaf green, and blend it with the rest of the yellow on top. Brilliant blue, deep green, leaf green, and blend it with yellow. Finish all the bushes in the same way. Now I'm taking a deep yellow color, blending it with orange. Now here the stroke is standing line so that the color blends well. Adding some more orange. It's the darkest brown in the palette. Adding some gray for the shadow, followed by black, and blending it again with black and some gray. Use your fingers. It's a scarlet red color that I'm adding for this kind of sand effect. Reddish brown followed by darkest brown in your palette. Leaf green for the bushes. Coat all corners well. And the down part, it's deep green. Lemon yellow for the front yard of the house, followed by leaf green. Followed by orange and blend it well. Flower goes into purple and pink. Now remember to use your black in the end. Grey again and top it up with black. Blend it well. Now here I am bordering again with black crayon, and this will give vibrant effect and this will take your drawing to a next level. So with light hands and carefully I am just adding black all over. Blend, and there your first ever landscape is ready. Thank you for watching.